open up CMD or PowerShell. That will look something like this, and you can type in WSL install. Make sure you download the 22.04 version because ROS2 is not supported on the more updated versions of Ubuntu. After that, you'll be prompted to create a username and password, and you need to restart your Windows system. After you restart that, you'll be prompted into Bash within PowerShell, most likely, and then from there, you'll type in these commands. You'll first need to update and upgrade. This prompt allows you to update and upgrade your APT. And then after that, you'll install your dependencies. This sudo line will allow you to add the ROS2 GPG key, and then you'll add the repo. After that, you're ready to download ROS2, which may take a second. You want to first update your APT so that it sees the new repo, and then you'll run the install. All of these commands will be included in the description below. After that, you'll verify that everything is working properly. So first, make sure your source is set up correctly and install the you'll first run the talker. After that, open up a second Ubuntu terminal and you'll see the listener. After you run both of those, you'll see that the talker is saying hello world and the listener is showing you that it's reading hello world. After that, you'll be able to launch turtlesim. Turtlesim is ROS2 simulator, which comes installed with the ROS2 desktop. It's not meant to simulate a real robot, but it is a great learning tool to understand ROS2 concepts without needing any real hardware or complex 3D simulations. To do that, you'll run these two lines, and the first one is the node line, and then the next one is the teleop key. What will happen when you run the node is that a GUI will pop up, and then once you're running the second terminal, you'll be able to use your arrow keys and your keyboard to rotate the turtle in the simulator and move it around in that small window. After you have ROS2 installed on your laptop, it is just very useful to know your topics, your nodes, your services, and parameters. The topics is how nodes send data to each other like a broadcast. Nodes are individual programs that do one job. Services are like topics but requires a request and response-based program. And parameters are configurable values for your nodes, which are the individual programs that do a particular job. And this is how you download ROS2 on Windows. So as you can see here, I'm using the arrow keys where I'm able to rotate, and now I'm using the letters, which are G, B, V, C, D, E, R, T, and that allows me to rotate in different directions. So this is T, then I press R, E, D, and then I can move in different directions.